Good afternoon. The Supreme Court ruled today that President Trump's IEEPA tariffs are unlawful. Here are the 5 things you should know about how this decision might impact your business. First, only roughly half of the tariffs implemented by the administration are impacted by this decision. These include the global reciprocal tariffs, the so-called fentanyl tariffs on China, Mexico, and Canada, and the remaining IEEPA tariff on Brazil. The President's Section 232 tariffs on products like steel, aluminum, copper, lumber, furniture, and semiconductors are not impacted. Second, the Supreme Court ruling did not address refunds of the tariffs, so the decision is now remanded back to the Court of International Trade, or the CIT, which has jurisdiction. We'll need to wait to hear from the CIT regarding next steps for potential refunds. The President said during his press conference that because the Supreme Court did not address refunds in their ruling, they will need to be litigated now, but we really don't know how this is going to play out. Third, the administration should technically stop collecting these duties immediately. We don't yet know, however, how they'll proceed, so it's best to plan to pay the tariffs in the very near term and watch our blog closely for updates. Fourth, the administration does have other ways to impose tariffs, and during this afternoon's press conference, the President indicated he is immediately replacing the IEEPA tariffs with a global 10% tariff, likely under his Section 122 authorities. There is nothing official on this tariff yet, but we keep you advised as more information becomes available. Fifth, the Supreme Court ruling puts the terms of some of the administration's recent trade frameworks into question. We don't know yet for sure how the ruling will impact trade deals made with countries like Taiwan, South Korea, Japan, and the EU members. What should you do to ensure your business gets the best benefit from this Supreme Court ruling? First, be sure you have an ACE account and have a good handle on the IEEPA tariffs that your company has paid. Second, be sure you have set up your ACH refund account in ACE. This is the only way that you'll be able to receive potential tariff refunds. Third, don't make any hasty decisions about costing or pricing or sourcing inside your company. We don't know for sure how and when these tariffs will be eliminated or reapplied, so it's best to base strategic planning on real facts once those are available. Finally, stay in touch with our team. We'll be providing our clients with regular updates about the best ways to leverage this decision into real, measurable benefits for your company.